this is Vinita Kumar, and you're watching me on India.com and Bollywood Live. Today I have with me someone whose Pavitra Rishta with us has been truly unforgettable for years now. She is Archana and Archana is her. So, let's welcome Ankita Lokhande. Congratulations, Ankita, for Pavitra Rishta.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So you got to relive Archana, Ankita, and I think it's not very lucky for many actors to actually go back to the character that they immensely loved, that lived with them throughout their life. I think do you feel lucky that you got to do that?
I feel very lucky that I could go somewhere. I always used to feel, always used to talk to God about this. God, if given a chance, okay, in my life ever, where would I want to see myself? And I always used to say, but वो 6 साल जो थे ना मेरी life के, I wanted to live those moments again. Trust me, I'm not lying, I'm not kidding, because I have loved Pavitra Rishta so much, like with whole heart and soul, that मुझे लगता था एक मौका मिलना चाहिए मुझे बस वो वापस वहाँ जाने का. And God gave me that opportunity. And I feel I am a blessed child. I definitely feel that I'm a blessed child because I got those moments to live again, that where I used to shoot for Pavitra. I used to, it's something else. When I was shooting for Pavitra, it was something, I was glowing. Actually, I was glowing, because I've loved Pavitra so much and I feel good about it that I could recreate something. And I've never seen any actor till today that portraying the same character after 12 years of the whole generation changes in 10 years. So I think I've been fortunate that I got this opportunity to perform Archana again, to live Archana again. And I think Archana was somewhere in me. It was there, so I could not just वो निकली नहीं, उसने मुझे छोड़ा नहीं, I think. So I think we are so attached to each other that I'm here again with Pavitra Rishta as Archana, so that's beautiful.
Oh my God, look at that excitement, Ankita, and that the glow is still there, yeah? The glow is there.
When you work, when you do something what you love, you are in love with something. I have loved Pavitra like how. And I was so sure that Pavitra Rishta will never ditch me for anything. Because I have never ditched Pavitra Rishta for anything. So I was so sure that people will love Pavitra Rishta. It can't go wrong. I have given my love to Pavitra and Pavitra will not do wrong to me. I was like that.
Okay, Ankita, your I think one of the best thing about the show is your chemistry with, whether Sushant or Shahid, So what do you tell yourself before, say, doing any romantic scene, like anything that helps you build that kind of connect with your male counterpart? What happens there?
As an actor, आपको मुझे हमेशा मैंने ये सुशांत से ही सीखा है एक्चुअली. मुझे हमेशा बोलता मुझे झाड़ भी दे दिया जाएगा और उसके बाद रोमांस करना तो मैं उसके साथ भी करूँगा. He used to always tell me that. So that's there in my mind. And Shahid तो अच्छा खासा good looking है. He's a good looking guy. So with Shahid, it was very organic. It was very organic, We can't tell you how we created it. We just felt that we're Archana Manav. It's just the character you feel. Because Archana Manav are love. They are love, This is emotion. Like people feel Archana Manav. Unko chahiye hamare jaisi love chemistry. So, when I used to look into Shahid's eyes, I used to see Manav in him. I used to literally see Manav in him. So it was very natural, very automatic. I was good. It was awesome.
So were there jitters? I mean, of course, as we all know that you are Archana somewhere,
Yeah.
So however, I would really want to know that as an actor, were there any jitters or, like goosebumps or something of that sort going on?
Of course. When I started shooting for Pavitra, I had this thing, pata nahi main kar paungi, nahi kar paungi. Because when you're coming after 12 years and I can play different characters. But coming back as Archana was something, that innocence, that simplicity, that connection with the audience, that only eyes talking, saying nothing. Will I be able to deliver all that thing? But, when you're on the sets, you don't understand that, because you're performing, you're just performing. But when I actually watched my episodes, I could see Archana, I could feel Archana, I could just see her. I never wanted audience to see Ankita Lokhande. I wanted them to see Archana. I wanted them to see Manav, not Shahid. I wanted them see to Archana and Manav, not Shahid and Ankita. And I think when I watched myself, I have cried with myself. I am crying because Archana and Manav are like crying. Literally. Because I feel Archana I could see Archana Manav there. I could just see, I could feel it. And it's very important for an actor to feel the character. It's very, very important. You should love the character. Whatever in then you do, like you maybe do a gray shade, you maybe do a positive, but you should feel the character. And when you feel it, you deliver it to the audience. And it goes directly in the heart. I feel that. You know, आप कोई चीज देखते हो अगर आप दिल से करते हो ना, audience तक पहुंचती है.
Yeah, that's so beautifully put, Ankita. Okay, so Ankita, you know, we know you, and you seem like an emotional person at heart. You know, so you have spoken already about, you know, how you couldn't resist tears when you got back on the sets here once again. You know, so do you sometimes think though that like of course many of us also honestly do think like that itna emotional क्यों हूँ मैं, why do I get attached to things like that?
मुझे लगता है कि क्यों गुस्सा आता है अपने आप पे, but then that's me, that's my beauty. Like you find very rare nowadays that people are emotional, people think about others, people want to celebrate happiness or sadness with people. There has to be somebody with जिसके साथ आप बैठ के कुछ चीजें share कर सकते हो. And I'm one of those friends. People come to me and share their problems. So I don't want to miss out on anything. But sometimes I definitely feel कि इतना emotional होना, not for anybody else, for your mental health. It's not good. I can't detach myself from things. You can see I am so attached to Pavitra till today. And ये तो आ गई इसीलिए चीज ठीक है. Trust me, when पवित्र मेरा जब बंद हुआ उसके बाद मुझे ना एपिसोड देखने का मन नहीं करता था. मुझे लगता था कि नहीं मेरे को मैं लिटरली इतनी अटैच थी, मैं देखती थी ना, मैं वापस उस जोन में नहीं जाना चाहती थी क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये होता है प्रॉब्लम. बट I always feel the more you face your emotions, the more you face your things, you become strong. You become very strong. So never run away from your emotions. Never run away from any situation. That's what I've learned from my experience in my life.
Okay, so Ankita, a loaded question there. I watched Pavitra Rishta, the season 2 here, and of course, I love the simplicity and the innocence there. The complexity also of the love that you have shown. However, I really wanted to know that. I mean, I'm sure that, Archana, being Archana, would want to be a little more rebellious in that sense. She would want to speak for herself right from the beginning, So do you feel that, that element could have been there to actually, make the love story look little more evolved or make the woman there look little more evolved?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Archana एक ऐसा character है जो पहले से बहुत simple रहा है. She is there. She wants to fight for herself. She has been doing that. But उसको खुद जब तक समझ में आता that she is in love and she wants to. The moment she understands that she is in love, the moment she start taking step for Manav, she start taking step and then she gets like that. No, now I'm going to fight for my love. So it's gradually, it's slowly, but gradually it's there. If you talk about women, I think every woman is not same. I think we all are very different, So Archana is very different in that way. I am not rebellious. I'm not like that. I will never do that in my life. I'm, if something is going wrong, I'll rather, take a time and understand what is the situation and then go for it. In such situations. Otherwise, in my daily life, I'm very this way. कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे. But जब ऐसी situations आती हैं ना life में, हर इंसान अलग-अलग तरीके से handle करता है. I feel that. So for me, Archana is somebody, the moment she start understanding that how much she loves Manav, the caring, the support, there is this scene where she says, now I'm done. I have always given my life to everyone for their happiness. But now somebody is there who loves me more than me, So I think I want him and I love him. That's it. And that's the beauty of a show. See, you can't just, she's not somebody who will go get up and just do something like that, She'll take time, definitely. And she's working this time. That's the difference. I think that's a very big difference, that she's in a cafe shop, she's working. And जहाँ उसको बोलना है वो बोलती है, जहाँ वो वहाँ वर्षा की बहन के पास जाती जब वो जाती है, she says that जहाँ वो फाइट कर सकती है वहाँ वो करती है. She definitely take a stand and she उसकी बजाओ लड़के की, कि वो बोलती है कि तू मेरी बच्ची है वो. And there I can see Ankita, there's like that, but that, you see gradually, you can't just Archana is not that character itself.
And that's Archana, yeah.
That's Archana. अगर Archana मेरे जैसी हो जाएगी तो Archana रहेगी नहीं. You have to show that gradual thing slowly that where she understands that now she's in love with Manav and then she'll fight him. और उसमें बस धक्का मार देता है. So like इधर की नहीं रही ना उधर की रही.
That's fair, Ankita. How does your fiance Vicky react to trolling or the negative comments that you receive on social media?
He's not on social media anymore. कोई उनका account है जिसमें से मेरी photos डालते रहते थे पहले. तो बोला अब मुझे कुछ नहीं डालना है because he has also received many negative things on social media after Sushant left. But the thing is, it's okay. We both are very okay with people commenting or saying bad things about us because we're not answerable to people. We're not. We have our own life. हमारी अलग जिंदगी है जिसमें हम सच में we are happy and it doesn't any which way what kind of a personality I am or him, it doesn't affect us what people are talking about us. Trust me, because we're not really worried about social media. Is not our life. It's just a choice that we have taken. Like I want to put some, and sometimes he's like, "Mat dalo yaar meri video, please." He's not that person who doesn't like me to do all that. But I want to put it sometimes, अच्छा लगता है यार. Sometimes I want to show that, But the thing is, people are commenting bad or good. That's their call. That's their wish. I will not judge you the way they judge me or anything. I will not do that. And some people are fighting for Sushant. They start talking bad about something about me. I'm okay with that also. I feel they have their emotions for Sushant, but they have to understand I have not done anything wrong to Sushant. I have not. And I have been there for him. They did, I don't know how to explain it, but they'll understand one day maybe that what he matters to me or what I have been for him. They'll understand. But that's okay. Trolling is something which is यहाँ से देखो और वहाँ से निकाल दो. I don't go on my social media and check what people are talking. I'm not really worried. They can talk good, they can talk bad. That's their wish. No problem.
I hope more and more love comes your way, Ankita. And honestly, people who understand Pavitra Rishta would always understand what you had with him or what you will have with him or with you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling. Bye.